All right, let's take it for a drive. You see the odometer moving back and forth like that in the video. The only reason it's doing that is because it's an LED screen, or anyway, the screen is not doing that in real life. So the screen will not be doing that when you get the truck. It's just the way that it shows up in the video. So don't panic about the screen. Anyway, put it in the gear. The other thing too, the battery was dead. So the check engine light was not on. Batteries were dead. I jumped it and it's on now, and I don't have a scanner to check to see what it is with me. So it wasn't on, it's on now. I don't know if it has something to do with the battery and drive it down the road, if that'll go away or not. But again, it wasn't on before. So it seems to have good pickup, good power, rides nice. Tires on it are probably 70%. Brakes work good. Let's go ahead and throw it into four-wheel. So shifting into four-wheel. Definitely feel the four-wheel drive is kicking in. So that works. Try reverse. Computer says we're back into two-wheel drive. Reverse works good. Brakes again, it's quiet. So they were using this truck, they just don't need it any longer. Said it shouldn't be a problem to jump in it and drive it across country. Nothing that they know of that it needs. So it should be a good truck for you.